Well, greetings and welcome back. Today we're going to be working on Kung Fu techniques. Let's go ahead and get started.
Bonsai drill. Now, I should say something about the basic stance and the basic hand position. This hand, elbow comes in the middle. Fingers are about, his eye level. Elbows pointing down. This hand comes by, right? So I have my gait, right? Hips turn forward, right? So I always have something between my opponent, right? So for this drill here, it's called a bonsai, which is an offset because we don't block in the system. A bonsai this is a little tricky, so we'll just do it by shifting from one side to the other. So you're going to shift, turn the feet, bring the elbow up, turn the palm over like you're looking at your watch. With this hand here, right? Turn this over, right? For 1, come back to center. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so when I add another thing then, now notice when I shoot, I'm getting out of the line of attack, right? So I'm here, and then the offset, right? My feet are still there, but that's okay. Okay, so now to counter, we go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And back to center. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now it's a low, that's called a high ball. Then we have a low ball. This one goes 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here. 4. Okay, high again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, 4. And then we stop. So those are bonsai.
Excellent work. If you're ready to move on, check out this video over here, and I'll see you there. Stay inspired and inspirational.